So another product that we're proud of is our household cleaner. And this plant-based household cleaner is really great for all types of hard surfaces. So for example, I use this on my keyboard on my laptop. I use it, we use it in the kitchen. You can spray around and even on the surfaces. You just take a nice clean cloth and wipe it down, and it does a great job of cleaning the oils and grease and things like that around the surface. It wipes clean just with a dry cloth, and it really does a wonderful job with plant-based ingredients to clean your surfaces, and it's very, very cost effective. A spray bottle like this, a quart bottle, will last for months and months because you just need a little bit. We've got a nice durable trigger sprayer on it, and these bottles are all refillable. You can buy larger containers of this product, gallon bottles or even 5-gallon pails, and refill them. These triggers are not going to break down for quite a while. They're going to really last because it's a really high quality product. So great product, plant-based, great grease and soil cutter. Also works great in bathrooms. This is a wonderful bathroom cleaner for all but really the most difficult cleaning situations. This product will work really, really well.